All right, good morning, everybody. Well, it is October 31st, Halloween, baby. My favorite day of the year to hunt, out of any day of the season. But it should be a pretty fun one. I'm planning to sit all day. I got my lunch packed up here, but yeah, it should be pretty fun. So I'm gonna hurry up and get dressed here, and then we're gonna head on back to the woods and kill ourselves a deer. I'm all set up here in the tree. Sitting just inside the woods this morning. It's October 31st, Halloween, my favorite day of the year to hunt. Killed the buck on this day, I believe, 3 years ago now, in this stand. So Halloween's always been good, and I saw the biggest buck that I'll probably ever see, not gonna lie. Probably 4 or 5 years ago on Halloween too. So Halloween's been good to me, but I got in here pretty clean. Didn't hear anything bump off. But I'm as excited as I'll really ever get for deer hunt. I'm pumped. I'm ready to go. It's only about 30 degrees, so it's the second day of this real low temperatures. So I mean the conditions are great. So we just need a big buck to show up, and I think today's the day. The snow is actually really coming down kind of hard, honestly. I knew it was supposed to snow, but I guess I didn't really know how much. As I was filming this doe right here, I got a glimpse of a real nice buck in the brush, probably about 30 yards behind her. I thought he was actually following her, but I just got a few glimpses of him. Hopefully one of the mature bucks steps out tonight. This is actually really cool. It's been snowing for probably, 2 hours now. But majority of the trees are all covered and majority of the ground. I don't know if I've ever actually seen it snow in October. But it's super cool. And I've been seeing a lot of deer, which is always nice. What an awesome day though. I've seen tons of deer. I saw that really nice 2.5-year-old buck that I think I'm gonna call 8-ball. He's a lot bigger than I think he is, but you could still tell he's a young deer. But other than that, I saw lots of does, a couple small bucks. This is my first ever all-day sit, and honestly, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. But seeing deer pretty much all day helps a lot, and pretty cool scenery tonight with the snow. But I think I'm gonna leave most of my stuff in the tree, and I'll be back here in the morning. It was actually kind of loud getting back here this morning, but I think I did a pretty good job getting here quietly. I don't think I bumped any deer. Matter of fact, I actually had a buck chasing a doe come running by me at about 20 yards while I was setting up. I don't think it was a very big buck from the sound of it. It didn't really sound very heavy on its feet, but I don't know for sure. All I've seen so far is those 2 does that came by at 30 yards. And then I've seen a couple other deer chasing out to my north. One was a small buck, I think, but other than that, I haven't seen much so far. It's only about 26 degrees right now, but it's dead calm. The views in here are actually pretty amazing right now, and it's only gonna get better once the sun comes up. It's supposed to be sunny day, so a lot of the snow is gonna melt, but I'm gonna sit back and enjoy it this morning. I can't sit all day. I only got till about 2 o'clock. But then I gotta get back to school, but I'm gonna enjoy it while I'm out here. Wow, what a nice looking buck. When he first came out, well, all I saw was the doe at first. She appeared, right? She showed up. I was actually reaching my backpack to grab a brownie. And she just showed up out of nowhere. And I saw him behind her. At first I thought it was Sky Boozer, just the way I saw his rack, the way he was facing when I first saw his rack. But one of the real nice 2.5-year-old 8 points we got running around here. But he came through right at 34 yards, right through my shooting lane out in front of me. So that was super cool to see. But it's about 12:30 actually, so I don't got much longer, unfortunately. I'd like to stay all day, but gotta get back to school, I guess.